welcome to another episode of Everyday Mechanic. Today I'm going to show you about winter checks, what you should be looking for when the cold weather comes, so your car's going to stay in good healthy condition. Right, first thing you want to do is make sure your antifreeze in the engine is a bright colour, whether it be red, green, blue. It's got to be bright and healthy. That will stop your engine from freezing up. Next thing, screen wash. Make sure it's strong mix. So what you don't want the screen wash doing is freezing up. So you want a good strong windscreen mix, stronger than what you'd normally do it in the summertime. So make sure that's nice and powerful. Oil, obviously we know about checking your oils and stuff. We don't have to worry about that for winter checks. But the main things is what's going to freeze the car. Next thing, when you get to your car in the morning, a lot of people make these mistakes. So I'm going to teach you now how to not make these mistakes. You come out to your car in the morning, your whole windscreen's frosted up. You get in the car. The day before it was raining, so you left your window wipers on. So you get in the car, start the car up. What happens? Your window wipers come on, rips the blades off them, breaks the motor linkages, because your window wiper here is stuck to the screen. So before you get in the car, free them off. Make sure they're free. Don't mind if they're wiping across the ice, but just make sure they're free. Next thing, electric windows. What you'll do, you'll come to the car. You're going to start the car up, press the button, electric window comes down, but because it's frosted and icy, the window doesn't come down. What it does, it breaks the linkages inside. So don't touch electric windows until your car's fully defrosted. That's another easy mistake people make. Back to winter checks, tyres. Now it's a good idea to stick winter tyres on a car for the winter and your normal running tyres during the rest of the year. It's like these tyres here. These are winter tyres for that car. It's a good idea to do that, but you don't have to. Just make sure you've got plenty of tread on your tyres and they're in good condition. Yeah, and that's it. Simple winter checks. Just do these simple little things, and your car will survive the winter. Like, subscribe, hit the icon for notifications, and keep it simple.